elite level sport now, there's such small margins. Nutrition's definitely one of them.
I think I tend to eat fish lunchtime just because if I do have training in the afternoon, I don't want to feel too heavy, going into it.
Over the past few years, I've really had to look at my nutrition and see how I can get the best from it to put me in the best place.
Hopefully you get a chance to make it, because I've probably had it for the last 6 years straight.
Yes, oh, delicious. Exactly what I need on a match day breakfast.